Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing review on this Asian snack box. It is a care package that was gifted to me, and I am going to open it now and try. Well, first I'm going to open it and show what's in the box, and then I'm going to taste test all of some of the stuff in the box. You may notice that this is a different setup around me right now. That's because I moved from my apartment, and I plan on moving to another state this month. That is like all the way across the country, like the other side of the country. That's where I'm going to be moving. I'll save that for another video, but for now I'm just going to be doing the Asian snacks. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I am really improvising right now because I don't have a tripod. This is like in a glass pot balancing on a selfie stick right now. My tripod broke. So anyway, I'm going to open this snack box that was given to me, and let's start reviewing. Oh, there it shows the website right there. So, first thing that I get when I open the box is I see a view of all this stuff. There's a letter. It says, "Hope you enjoy our snack box." And it shows nutritional facts on the back. And here are the snacks in the box. The care package. This is cute. Calm and snack on right there. It's pretty neat. First thing in the box is some shrimp chips. I've never heard of that or tried that before. We got some, I'm not sure what that is. Air rice crackers is what it says. Always has a bag. And I don't know what that says, but it looks like a stump or something. Stump candies with, oh, chocolate stumps. Next, umbrella cookies. I'm not sure what that is. Never heard of that either. This is Meiji. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. What's that? Looks like some sort of soda candy. It's the bottle shaped like a soda. Noodle soup. So I guess it's like ramen but a different brand. These two, they look the similar. Choco Hem. One in Choco Hazelnut and one in White Hazel. I'm guessing this is seaweed snack. I think I've seen something like this at a store before, but never tried it. Strawberry cream wafers. I've had these before. What's this? Fruitery Lynch jelly snacks. Looks like those sausage you get at McDonald's. There's like a cube in there. In a clear liquid. I don't know. These look like 2 cookies in a bag. Never heard of that. Pineapple cake gift set. Glisso Pre-Joy and Prez. These kind of feel like Pocky sticks. I don't know. I don't think they are though. Hello Panda. Looks like cookies with cream inside. Choco Pie. It looks like a moon pie. And last is custard. Happy Promise custard. Yeah, I've never heard of any of these snacks. Okay, now I'm going to taste test a few of these snacks. Probably not all of them, maybe only 5 or 6 of them, maybe more, but I guess I'll start off with these umbrella cookies. Like little discs. I expected these to be sweeter, but it tastes kind of like sugarless fortune cookies, with the hint of something spicy, just a the tiniest bit of something that gives it a kind of a zest. And that's the best I can describe that. It's pretty good. What next? Try these shrimp chips next. Ugh. I just smelled a burst of fish as soon as I opened it. It smells like seafood. I taste the shrimp. They kind of taste like those, well, the texture is like cheese doodles, those cheese puffs. But it's like flavorless cheese puffs with that just a small hint of shrimp flavor. It's pretty good. I wonder if they're made with real shrimp. Oh, that captures this. I don't know, maybe they are. Let's try these Stump chocolates that I saw. And I think they're chocolates. It's like opening the front part because I can't open the sides. Is how this opens. Looks like that when I open it. I smell chocolate. These are cute. They're like Stump. Oh no, I dropped one. Stump chocolates. Yeah, they look like Stumps. So it's the chocolate part is a stump and the inside part is a cookie. And it looks like a stump. Like a tree that was chopped down. It's good. I like it. Typical chocolate cookie type of snack. Kind of like a Kit Kat bar, but not really. Next, I'm gonna open that one that looked like a Pocky stick. Let's try this one. Oh, they're not Pocky sticks. They're like cookie sticks. I don't know. Oh, there's chocolate inside of them. So it's like a cookie, chocolate wrapped in a cookie stick. So that's Pre-Joy. I mean, P-Joy, however you pronounce it. Okay, I'm gonna try one more because I already opened 5 snacks. I'm gonna try to go through the one that looks the most scariest to try or whatever. Yeah, let's try a pineapple cake. Because this feels kind of hard. It smells like pineapple. I don't know about this. I don't really like it, no. Nope. It tastes like I don't know how to describe. I don't taste the pineapple at all. There's some chewy substance in the center of it. I cannot taste anything fruity from this. It tastes like a mouthful of flour with flavorless jelly in the inside. So it's a no for this pineapple cake. Okay, that's all the snacks I'm gonna try right now, and I'll just eat the rest of them later. I'll just slowly go through my care package box, and this box was given to me. I didn't order it or anything. That was just me doing a review on it. So if you like this video, yeah, and you want to try the Asian snacks, then just go out and buy some. I think I'll leave a link in the description showing where you can get it. And look forward to more of my videos. Hopefully my next video will be of me traveling to the other state that I'm going to be moving to. Hopefully I'll be I really hope that I live there, because I really want to get out of the city area and be closer to nature. Right now I'm with my parents, in case I didn't say that already. But I liked my old apartment, but it was just time for me to move on to something better, because this city really isn't all that. So bye. Like, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to my other videos. See ya.